Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the anatomy and the physiology. First of all, we will discuss about anatomy. The term anatomy, it means the study of structure of the body. The anatomy is the branch of science that study the physical structure of the human body. The term anatomy is the branch of science which is deals with the structure of human, animals and plants, especially related by the dissection and the separation of the body parts. The term anatomy it is focuses on the size, shape and the location of the body structures in the living organism. Anatomy is the part of statistic study. The understanding of the anatomy of a living organism is obtained by the dissection and the separation of the body part of a living organisms. Some specialties of the anatomy, that is embryology, development biology, cell biology, histology and the gross anatomy, radiographic anatomy. For example, embryology. The embryology term is the first 8 week of development after the fertilization of a human egg. The embryo means embryo and the logy means the study. That means embryology is the study of embryo. Then the development biology. The developmental biology is the complete development of an individual from the fertilization to death. Then cell biology. The cell biology is the cellular structure and the functions. Histology. Histology is the microscopic structure of the tissues. Then the gross anatomy. The gross anatomy is the type of anatomy which is deals with structure that can be examined without a microscope. Then the radiographic anatomy. Radiographic anatomy means the body structure that can be visualized with X-ray. Then subdivision of the anatomy, in which surface anatomy and the gross anatomy. The surface anatomy is the study of from and the marketing of the body surfaces, often expanded through visualization or the palpation. Then the gross anatomy. Gross anatomy is the study of anatomical structure visible to united eye after making the appropriate surfaces. The marking in the prior picture and the gross dissection produced through the cutting. The gross anatomy is divided into two parts, that is systemic and the regional. Then we will discuss about the physiology. Physiology is the study of functioning of the living organism or the living things. It is the branch of biology that deals with the internal working of living things. It includes the functions such as metabolism, respiration, and the reproduction. The term physiology is the branch of biology which deals with the function of living organism and their parts. The physiology term is focuses on the chemical, physical, and the electrical processes in the body and organism. It is a dynamic study. The understanding of the anatomy of the living organism is critical in the studying the physiology of the particular living organism. Then we can discuss about the some subspecialties of the physiology, that is neurophysiology, endo- endocrinology, cardiovascular physiology, renal physiology, pathophysiology, immunology, and the respiratory physiology. For example, pathophysiology. Pathophysiology is the functional changes associated with the disease and aging. Respiratory physiology. Respiratory physiology is defined as the function of the air passageway and the lungs. It means the study about the respiratory system. The immunology. The immunology is defined as the body's defense against the disease causing agent, that is the antigen. Then the endocrinology, in which the hormone, that is a chemical regulated in the body and how they control the body's function. Then neurophysiology. Neurophysiology is the functional properties of the nerve cells. Then cardiovascular physiology. Cardiovascular physiology is defined as the function of the heart and the blood vessels. That is, it is uh, it is the study about the cardiovascular system in the human body. Then renal physiology. Renal physiology means the functioning of kidney, and it is studied by the physiology. Thank you.